Save more on tech, how to shop on Khermit. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can save money when buying tech online. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below for some coupon codes and product codes that you can apply when shopping on this website called charge.com, and you're going to save a lot of money, so make sure you check that out as well. So here you can see they have a bunch of different options, and these are all the new options. So this is the Pixel. I don't know if this is a block charger. Yeah, it has pixels on it. This is a retractable power bank, 3-in-1. This is also a power bank that attaches to your phone, which is pretty cool. And this is like a MagSafe that you can apply. This is like a small charger that you can stick right underneath your phone. This again, another MagSafe, another mini retractable charger over here, and this one is also a mini power bank. So it's pretty cool. You can go ahead and select whichever one you want. I really like this one, so if we click on it, we're gonna go ahead and buy it. Again, you can find the link in the description below for the website and all the products, and along with some promo codes that you can apply and save money. Then here you just simply hit the buy it now button. It's going to be added into your cart, and it's going to take you to the checkout page, and here you can just simply apply the discount code that you can find in the description below that you can save a lot of money. So make sure you check that out as well, and then you can just simply fill out this form, pay it, and boom, you're good to go. So there you go. That's how you can save money on tech. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.